Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable background app refresh on the iPhone XR. Okay, so let's begin. So the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So first we need to open up our settings. In here we need to tap on the general. Now scroll down a little bit until you find the background app refresh. Now on the top we have background app refresh. As you can see, currently it's set on off. Defaultly, I assume it will be set on the Wi-Fi and cellular data. And of course, to disable them, select them on off right in here, just like that. And also below you can disable this for specific apps only. To do it, in here below the background app refresh, we have the list of apps. And let's say I don't want, for example, the TikTok, to have that option enable. And I don't know why I cannot click on that. So, okay, to do it, you need to first click on Wi-Fi, for example. And in here only we have the option to enable or disable the specific apps. So for example, let's disable the TikTok, and now it works. Okay, basically the disabling background app refresh prevents apps from updating content when you are not using them. And this also saves battery and reduces data usage. Alright, so now you know how to do it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.